Welcome to Tap Tech, where we bring you the future of innovation before it becomes mainstream. And today, we're talking about a drone that doesn't just fly, it swims too. The HoverAir Aqua Drone is changing everything you thought you knew about drones. If you've ever wished for a flying drone that can dive underwater and record the world below the surface, this might be the one that finally makes it real. Think about it for a second. You're flying your drone over the ocean, capturing stunning aerial shots, and then, without missing a beat, it dives underwater to film sea life in 4K. No switches, no attachments, no manual changes. Just smooth transition from air to water. It sounds futuristic, but the HoverAir Aqua Drone is real, and it's here to blow your mind. Let's start with the first thing you'll notice, the design. The HoverAir Aqua Drone looks sleek, futuristic, and premium. It's built with a mix of carbon fiber and corrosion-resistant materials, so it can handle both saltwater and freshwater environments without any damage. The body design is aerodynamic, with smooth curves that make it cut through air efficiently, and when it's in the water, the same design helps it glide like a submarine. The propellers are a big highlight. They're adaptive dual-environment propellers, meaning they're designed to work both in the air and underwater. Most drones can't even get wet without malfunctioning, but this one has sealed motors and a smart cooling system that automatically adjusts when it goes underwater. That's what makes it so unique. You can literally take off from a boat, fly above the water, dive in, capture underwater shots, and come right back up all in one take. Now, let's talk about the camera. Because what's the point of a drone that can go underwater if it can't record beautifully? The HoverAir Aqua Drone comes with a 5K Ultra HD dual-lens camera setup. One lens is optimized for aerial footage with a wide 160-degree field of view, and the other is fine-tuned for underwater color correction. So your footage doesn't lose that bright blue color tone when submerged. It even uses AI-enhanced HDR imaging that automatically adjusts based on lighting and depth. Whether you're recording above or below the water, your shots always look cinematic. The transition from air to water is another area where this drone stands out. It uses smart depth sensors and pressure recognition. When it detects the surface tension of water, it automatically shifts modes, activating its waterproof housing and switching camera profiles. The change happens in less than 2 seconds. That's faster than most drones can adjust gimbals. It's seamless. And speaking of gimbals, the HoverAir Aqua Drone uses a 3-axis hybrid gimbal system that works both in the air and underwater. That means no shaky footage, no distortion, and super smooth transitions when you dive or resurface. The video stability is incredible. It's like having a professional camera rig in a drone. Performance-wise, it's no joke. In the air, it can reach speeds up to 55 miles per hour, and underwater, it cruises at around 7 miles per hour. That might not sound fast underwater, but for a drone that can move both ways, that's impressive. The flight time in the air is about 38 minutes, and underwater it can run for up to 45 minutes thanks to a smart battery optimization system. The drone uses dual lithium batteries that balance power between flight and submersion. And yes, it's completely safe from short circuits. The controller deserves attention too. It's a redesigned waterproof remote with a bright 7-inch display that's visible even under direct sunlight. The range is excellent, you can control it from up to 2.5 miles away on land, and underwater it maintains connectivity up to 100 feet using a special frequency that travels through water. It's not Wi-Fi based, it uses a hybrid RF and acoustic signal that stays strong where others fail. Now let's talk about what makes this drone not just cool, but practical. It's perfect for travel creators, vloggers, divers, and even rescue teams. Imagine exploring coral reefs or filming surfing shots from both above and below the waves. Fishermen can use it to track schools of fish. Lifeguards can spot swimmers in distress and dive the drone underwater to assess visibility. It's not just a toy, it's a powerful piece of tech built for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The AI integration in the HoverAir Aqua Drone is their big plus. It recognizes terrain, wave movement, and even marine life. If it detects large fish or obstacles underwater, it automatically adjusts its route. It also has a follow me feature that works both above and below water, something no other consumer drone currently offers. You can literally swim or surf and have the drone track you continuously. Connectivity is advanced too. It supports 5G live streaming with a built-in SIM slot, so you can broadcast your adventures in real time. Imagine streaming directly to YouTube or Instagram while diving, that's next level. It even has onboard storage of 256 GB and supports SD expansion up to 1 TB, so you won't run out of space during long shoots. The software that comes with it, the Hover Control app, gives you full control of your drone's camera settings, flight paths, and underwater navigation. You can create pre-programmed routes, cinematic camera moves, and even transitions that automatically sync to music. It's like having an editing studio inside your drone. Battery charging is fast too. The drone supports magnetic charging with a waterproof connector. You can go from 0 to 100% in just about 65 minutes. The charger uses smart temperature control to avoid overheating, which is great for long sessions. When it comes to durability, Hover didn't cut corners. This drone is IPX9 rated, meaning it can handle full water immersion and high-pressure jets without any damage. It's resistant to salt, sand, and corrosion. Even the camera lenses have hydrophobic coating, so water doesn't distort your footage. It's literally built to handle the harshest conditions. If you're wondering about portability, it's surprisingly compact. The propeller arms fold in, and the body fits into a small backpack. The total weight is just under 2.5 kilograms, which means it's easy to carry and doesn't require special licensing in many countries. Now, of course, something this advanced doesn't come cheap. The HoverAir Aqua Drone starts at around $1,799 for the base model and goes up to $2,299 for the Pro version, which includes the dual camera setup, extended range, and waterproof controller. But if you compare it to buying a separate aerial drone and an underwater drone, it's actually a great deal, especially considering it performs both roles effortlessly. One thing users love most is the visual experience. The footage looks like something straight out of a movie. The color tones, the smooth transitions from sky to sea, the reflections, it all just feels immersive. You don't just watch your footage, you feel like you're there. That's the magic of this drone. And if you're someone who travels a lot, this drone could become your best companion. You don't have to carry multiple devices anymore. Whether you're hiking up cliffs or snorkeling in the Caribbean, the HoverAir Aqua Drone adapts instantly. It's reliable, easy to use, and surprisingly beginner-friendly. Even setup is quick. The drone pairs automatically with your phone or controller the moment it's powered on. Firmware updates happen wirelessly. The sensors calibrate automatically before flight, and there's a return to surface mode that ensures it never gets stuck underwater or lost. It's basically a self-thinking drone. Every now and then, a product comes along that feels like a leap, not just an upgrade. The HoverAir Aqua Drone is exactly that. It's a glimpse of where drone technology is heading, combining exploration, creativity, and smart design in one package. So if you've ever wanted to explore both worlds, the sky above and the ocean below, this drone gives you the freedom to do both. And once you experience it, you'll never look at regular drones the same way again. You've just seen what might be the most versatile drone ever made. But tell me, would you actually use something like this, or do you think it's more of a niche gadget for creators? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button because it helps a lot. And if you're new here, Subscribe to Tap Tech for more deep dives into the most exciting tech from around the world. We drop videos that help you see where technology is going next, and trust me, the next one is going to be even crazier. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where innovation meets imagination. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.